Good morning. So as you can tell from this video, today is a uni vlog, but it's a from home uni vlog, obviously. It is 10 to 10 right now and I have class at 10. I did my hair nicely today. That was good. Yesterday, when I'm filming this, maybe not yesterday when you're watching this, I was in a mental health live stream that my friend Char hosted, and I'll post the link in the description if you want to go and watch it. It was really fun, really good. Today is the first day of classes for me for this term. It is Friday, but because I'm a part-time student, I only have one module this year, and part-time students are only on Fridays. So I've got my little desk set up. I'll show you. So here, ignore this is really stressing me out, but here I have some of the books, some little like notebooks, and my to-do list book, my laptop, some pens, and my wall display. I don't know whether I've shown this, but for context, some of these things I painted this one and this one. I guess you can kind of tell which ones I painted. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Yeah, so the idea for my room was like pastel farmhouse chic. It's not come together yet, but hopefully it will soon. But yeah, that's what's happening today. We're also having our washing machine delivered. Whoop, 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 whoop. So that's really exciting, and I'll show that later when our washing machine finally gets delivered. We've been having to wash clothes since October at Adam's mum's house, which has been a stressful day. You know, it's been quite stressful. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm gonna go and eat my banana before we class. Having a great time. Still in class. My new notebook. Really happy times. So currently on a break. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a stretch because I'm feeling really like sore right here. I'm starting to end my period, and for some reason recently back pain has been a huge part of it. So I'm just going to do some stretches, and I thought you might want to see. It might be really weird to watch and I might not put it in the vlog, but that's the situation. It's like one of the most broad terms you could ever write down.
Yeah.
And there's anything that we can say about any sort of situation, the opposite can and will be true.
Yeah.
Hello. So the washing machine delivery and installment man should be here soon. And I'm quite excited about it because we haven't had a wardrobe since he moved in, and Adam has been asleep in the living room because I was making too much noise. But let's look what it looks like outside today. Ah, that's so pretty. Look at it. Look at the sky today. It's very nice. Let's check on the woods. What a pretty sky. Hello. So here we have Adam. And here, oh, that was really bad. we have our new washing machine, and Adam said to take this off on camera because people like it, and then I said, okay. Oh God. There's even more. Help me, please. Whoa. How nice is that? Right, I'm gonna get him to take a picture of me there because I am extra like that. Hello. So, this is the first load of laundry.
Make sure you didn't get your knickers out on the camera.
In this house. This is very exciting. By house, I mean flat. But it's still very exciting. I'm doing a dark colour load because that's what it seems we have most of. And this is all hugely exciting for me. Close it up. On what cycle should I put it on? Oh my God, guys, this is so exciting.
Looks like you can get some programs off the internet.
Yeah. Apparently it's got Bluetooth as well.
Oh, I check. Dark wash.
Okay. What about a fast full load?
Sure you want a full load anyway.
Hygiene, I think I'll do that one.
Hygiene plus.
Because there's towels in it.
Why not dark wash?
Because there's towels that haven't been washed in a while.
Stain.
Stain.
Don't shrink any of my clothes.
Why won't you let me do a short? Why is it not? I don't want a 3-hour wash.
I don't know, but I was like, just see what the dark wash is. There we go.
Oh. I'll do that one.
Surely that skips some steps.
No, it just makes it shorter.
Yeah, steps. Leave it on normal for now. Oh, is it steam on?
What, is there a steam?
Look underneath.
I don't know.
The buttons.
Interesting. So I am going to press start on my first wash of my own. Oh! Look at that.
Nothing's happening.
It's filling up with water. Can you not hear it?
Wait till it's spinning and do a recording of that.
So I had a nice chat with my nan, and now I'm making risotto. This is how much stock I have left to add. I think you're probably getting a bit steamed up. Don't mind the washing up that I need to do. But I'm pretty excited about this. It's the first time making risotto, so hopefully it goes well. It's noisy in here, that's because this is sizzling, the oven's on, and the washing machine is on. Our very own washing machine! I'm excited. I am really excited about a washing machine, and, you know, it just means I'm a grown-up. Where are you trying to go? Excuse me, naughty boy. So, we had a bit of a issue with the washing machine. Not plain sailing there. it would not drain itself, and so we had to drain it ourselves. So there was a lot of water on the floor. Yes, there was. But right now, it's snowing. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's snowing. I don't know whether it's stick though. Oh, the ambulance is back. But it's snowing nonetheless. So basically, I've been talking about this a little bit more recently online, but my mental health is not tip-top, and I've been really struggling lately, and today has been one of those days that started off really great, as you saw in this vlog, and for me, the day took a turn when the washing machine didn't drain, and everything just sort of like piled on, and I was irritable and moody and shouting at Adam for no reason, and being a bitch for no reason, and feeling horrible. So I decided to make one of my comfort foods, which is roast potatoes, and I will show you what I do. So currently I'm parboiling the potatoes, but I'll show you later on. Yeah, I watched a really interesting show on BBC on Friday nights at 7. It's BBC 4, and the show is called The Sound of Musicals, and it's about the history of the modern musical. It's really interesting, and each episode is about a different chunk in time. So the first episode was about the early part of the 20th century. Really interesting stuff. Now I'm watching Catfish because that's also a comfort program. When I was having a little bit of an upset time earlier, we were having a cuddle, and I went, everything goes fine, and then it just turns to shit. Give me the clip, and Adam says, this is what I'm like, and I do this every day. Had to get it back to the right spot, but this is what I'm like.
You big idiot.
Everything's turned from gold.
It's shit. This is what I'm like every evening. Here you go, have that video back. And I just wanted to be like super transparent about how I'm feeling, because I know a lot of people, when they vlog and post online, it's just happy, positive stuff, or the nice, pretty things, and that's just not what life is like, especially not during a pandemic, especially not when you're on a therapy waiting list. But yeah, that's the update. Okay, so the method is you parboil the potatoes, and then obviously drain them and put them in a tinfoil lined baking tray, and then what you need to do is rough them up a little bit. Now I know that sounds like you get in a fight with potatoes, and that's exactly what I mean, because if they're a little bit rough around the edges and not so sort of pristine, you're going to get a better, more crispier potato. So what I normally like to do is to just get the tray when I put the potatoes in and shake it around a little bit, to get them a little bit, you know, crispy. Oh, there's a hair. Take that out, and then now what I do is I add salt. Don't be shy with your seasonings. Salt, pepper, and now like you can choose whatever seasonings you want at this point. This is really up to you. This is what I find works for our tastes. Mixed herbs, you know, like the Italian mixed herbs, and garlic. You can't make anything without garlic. I think our garlic pot is going to be needing to be refilled. Okay, and then get some oil, or I guess melted butter, or meat juices, or animal fat, or lard, whatever you want, whichever works best for you. And then you mix it up, and now is the time to be a little bit heavy-handed, because you want everything to be, as I said before, roughed up a little bit and you want everything to be coated in oil. You don't want to leave something behind, because if you do, then it's not going to get crispy. It's just going to burn, and it's not going to be the best potato ever. And it's going to start looking a bit like they're getting a bit too mushy, but that's fine. I feel that's how it works best. And then you just put them into an oven, sort of 200 degrees-ish. First round, make sure they're sort of flat and like sort of, you know, not on top of each other. And then 20 minutes in the oven, then check on them, 20 more minutes in the oven, and then they're done. Right to the vlog. Thanks for being a faithful, and thanks for watching.